possible.
Yeah.
The
And
Mesger is awesome.
and I see one RTR before that was on Geneva Salon.
Oh, you did?
Maybe it was this
What color?
white. So I'm starting to think maybe it was this.
There's 3 of them.
Yeah. I wonder the other colors.
Ryan would know.
Yeah.
Ryan knows this car very well.
Wow, RTR.
This is
And it's basically a 0 mileage or something.
Yeah, close to it. It shows 2,600 miles on it.
But now it's like 3 times the price on this one or something. Or I mean, it's just growing.
Yeah, I mean, there's not going to be another one.
And also you saw, roof.
Yeah.
Instead of Porsche.
No, it's got the roof in. It's a real roof.
Wow.
It's a special car. I only drove it 3 times, and each time I was shitting my pants because it's a beast.
And it's still grip because it's a Porsche. Yeah.
Yes, it will grip, but you got to warm up the tires before you get into all the power.
And maybe because this looks like a true classic roof.
And
Roof
stops,
wheels.
like on a dime.
Yeah, ceramic brakes and it's roof brakes as well. So I wonder maybe what kind of brakes those are.
This is a home run, this car.
And how did it? Yeah, it was friends of friends. You found
Friends
it.
are friends.
It was not even.
No.
And I mean, this spoiler is so unique, and I only seen it. It's only on RTRs actually.
Yes. This is a winner. This one.
So can I take this to Manhattan and
Yeah, of course.
I leave it tomorrow?
Leave it from Central Park West.
Yeah.
The horses to take a look at it.
And also basically really nice spec with the classic like textile and leather and manual, of course. But because they only do the RTRs in manual, which is crazy. And I mean the